this is going to be a power talk and real talk to remember you what we are all here for. I really have the strong feeling to deliver you the message that all our job is to teach love, to educate, to walk each other home, and that we are all spiritual teachers for each other. And we all can be a messenger, a mirror, and a lesson for others. And we are here to help each other, to give and receive, to live in our natural essence. The woman more in the feminine flow, feminine energy, I would say, and the man in their strong masculine energy. And to reconnect and live in our essence of love. And we are here to help each other to come back to it, to teach love, to educate, to teach or help also with heart openings, to be heart openers for others, with just being pure love, sharing deep love, helping and guiding them how they can also tune in and how they can send it out to others as well, and to make others feel and see it too, to help others that their fear goes away because we show them it's safe and that the fear can be there and we are not making a problem out of it. The important thing here is also to be able to just hold the fears, to feel them, and to different, like whether it's a fear in my head or if the fear is really there, if it really exists, and if it's really there. So, for example, if you are in a committed relationship, it is safe, right? It is safe with a committed person who is willing to work and stay is safe. If you are in one where the other person keeps running away, which is not consistent, where there is an on-off, hot and cold dynamic, it is no wonder that the fear is there. And the system, your body, reacts and acts the way it does, right? So recognize the difference. So the best thing you can do is to take time to sit with it, to accept it, to let the shadows burn in the fire of love. And we are not here to fix or save each other. We are here to encourage each other, to make them feel safe and remind them also that they also have to feel safe within them first, right? And help them what they can do, like just breathing, for example. And also to communicate when there's some resistance and to move through it, to work on all of that by ourselves and help where we can. But in the end, we all know we always have to do the work for ourselves and just get aware about it all, what is actually happening right now within our system and in us. And then when we are aware, to communicate it, right? And so we are here, I would say, also to lift each other up. We are not here to be mothers or parents for each other. We need to reparent ourselves. And also feedback should be uplifting, And we are here to activate something in each other. That's so beautiful when this is happening, right? Even just words can activate something. Words are so powerful. So we are here to help others to connect also with themselves. We are here to share our network, to help each other to thrive. We are here to help others to ground themselves, to remind them for whatever is there right now and they need to get a little reminder for it, to help them calm the nervous system down for co-regulations. Wow. And we are here to help others to love themselves more. Yeah. To remind them who they are and what they are truly deserve. And we all deserve all the love, peace and happiness in this world. So we are here to be more in service for this world and to live in devotion to our truth, in devotion to truth, to teach also that to people, to this world, the humanity, right? Like how to live in devotion to truth. It's not the easiest. So we can just do everything so far as we can, so far as we already know each other, so far we already understand what is going on, understand ourselves, right? It's another point, like people can only meet you as far as you already understand yourself as well, but also then still, even though only to a certain point. And then it's again on us to just make peace with it and accept it. Just accept it, right? We can't expect that everybody can understand us, or in general that anyone can understand us fully. And I know there's a big craving for that out there. I'm having the same again and again. So yeah, but it is what it is. So we are here to pass everything on to other people who can help as we can't help everyone. So we're also passing others on to someone else, right? If someone else can help this person on this journey, pass the contacts, right? Connect each other, share the network, share what you see, share what is coming into your field, and you think about someone and share it, right? As long as you also feel like that you're still allowed to share this with the people or that person, do so. Be the messenger. Because also always remember, hey, how should others know? How should others know all of this what I was just talking about? Some of you just like myself have also only just learned it ourselves, or a few months ago, years ago, what, for example, true love is, what deep love is, what the divine love is feeling, what the difference between lovemaking and sex is, what our true essence is, what it feels like to be pure bliss, pure love and light, right? And of course we are all not always there, right? But always keep on reminding others, and especially ourselves, every single morning, to feel and experience, hey, this is what we feel and experience with our conscious mind, right? And as an adult, right? So go through life with a wide open heart, really with a wide open heart. And because this is a state where you become the example for the love you wish to see in this world. An open heart means really living with a perspective that embraces also life fully, and bringing the energy of an open heart, love, kindness, compassion into every situation. Opening your heart widens possibilities, especially in challenging times as well. So do what you feel like you need to do to get there. Yeah. Follow your callings, reach out for help, follow the opportunities, the opportunity you have to work with people who can help you on this journey, on your journey. Stay close to those people, as long as they also want to stay close to you, who are already this idol, right? For yourself, right? And reflect you this pure love and light. Yeah, what else to say? Stay on your journey. It's all a journey, because it's really in the end about becoming the example of love you wish to see. And when you are already it, then please go out there and serve the world, be in service, full-hearted, build up great, really a business around it, right? A heart-centered business around it, right? If you're able to do it also just like that, because you're already safe financially and are really fully covered financially for the rest of your life, or the next decade or so, then please share just like that as well, right? There are so many different ways to do so, and we all can be a little part of that in each other's life and in every human life. Not in every human life, because we will never reach all of them, right? That's the thing. But you know what I mean. So build and create a heart-centered business around it. Yeah, create so that you can fully serve the world with your gift and use your potential, right? Use your potential and let the ego die again and again and again, and let go of all the judgment to yourself. Step into your power, your light, your purpose, and you have all the strength and resources within you to do so. Remember, you are loving awareness. And with that being said, I want to say to you, and also some very special people in my life who helped me with it, or did their part to crack my heart wide open, or just open, right? To love, to send out love differently, to serve, to be more love, and especially to love more and more unconditionally, without conditions, and with contact, and also without being in contact, and so close and distant. And to everyone who is watching this, is watching here and resonates with me and my words. Thank you. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for your love and your inspiration to be loved and to be loved. Thank you for choosing love. Thank you for choosing healing, for being a role model. Thank you for choosing to walk a part of my life with me and of your life. Thank you on those who still walk with me. Thank you. And I already also want to say thank you to the universe for all the special and beautiful people it will send to me in this lifetime. I can't wait. I can't wait to meet you all and for all these beautiful encounters. And now really ask yourself, what does it really mean to you to open your heart? And where have you found yourself or answers in the message I just shared with you? Do you see it the same way? All feedback is really welcome, and yeah, it's an open space. So check in also now with yourself to who you can reach out now to share your feelings and love and to say thank you. And please share your thoughts and struggles on this journey with me, and share where you are standing right now. I'm here for you and happy to help where I can, or to just listen. And happy to hear from you how you like this kind of message delivering, Power Talks. So yeah, share, and I'm sending you so much love from my soul to yours, and from my always sunny soul place here in Tenerife. And I hear from you soon, and I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, go and share this video with everyone who needs to hear this right now, and go and follow me here on YouTube and also on Instagram. And yeah, ciao ciao.